class, each week of English 100, you are going to have a reflective journal writing assignment due. Journal writing is an opportunity to practice writing in a low-pressure manner. Studies have shown that these low-stakes writing assignments increase confidence and lower anxiety about writing in students. In addition, it helps you practice the skills of writing and practice using writing as a means for thinking. If you look through the assignment directions carefully, as you should do with all assignments, you'll notice that you can write about whatever you want, however you want. You can write about something from your life, a relationship, a dream, whatever's on your mind. If you're having trouble thinking about something to write, you can review this list right here of suggested topics. You could also choose to write about the material from the class if you want to piece some ideas together about an assignment or something that you read. Please note that your aim is going to be to write 1 to 1.5 pages in your journal each week. You can write it by hand, you can write it in Microsoft Word, you can type it up, whatever works for you. Please note this important point about the submission of the assignment. Because this is a low-stakes assignment, I'm not going to be reading your entire journal entry each week. All you need to do to show that you've completed the assignment is to either post a summary sentence or a phrase into the text box that where you submit this assignment to get credit for this assignment. Note that this is a completion grade only, and I won't be grading you on your ideas or your writing or your content of your journal entry. Please contact me if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment. But remember, no pressure. Write about what you want to in the way that you want to, and just submit a short summary or a sentence of what you've written.